So I wanted to come on here and do a tabletop review of my Taurus Tracker 992. I just picked this gun up. It's a little oily. I've been kind of wanting one of these for a while. So, it's a pretty interesting gun. It has this little button right here, and you push this button. And let's see if I can. It's a little stiff because it's. Let me see. A little stiff because it's brand new, but it comes out of here. You lift up on it, like. Let me see. It comes out of there, and then you can put in the 22 long rifle cylinder. Pretty neat gun. It's an underlug design. Very hefty. I think it. I'm not sure what it says on the website. Maybe it's like 40 ounces. That's a big gun. It's got the red ramp front sight, blacked out rear sight. Very nice checkered hammer. Solid lockup. The grip is different than what they show on the website. They have like the rubber grip. This is different. This is something definitely a little bit updated. The matte finish. It's not blued, but or maybe it is blued, but it's a very like matte finish. It's not Cerakote. It feels pretty durable. I've read some things online where people say that this finish doesn't last that long or whatnot. We'll find out. One thing that kind of bugged me when I didn't notice when I picked it up is that it had this scratch right here. Now, I mean, maybe for some people it's not a deal breaker, and for me it's not. I wish I would have saw it when I picked the gun up, because now that I've transferred it, I've got no recourse with where I bought it. Now I've already transferred it. And my only recourse would be to go and contact Taurus. And I have heard that their customer service is spotty. You might get a good experience and you might not. It's a little irritating. So this was... I took it out of the box. This is what the plastic looked like. The box was fine, but this was what the plastic looked like, and there were little pieces of it in there. The gun was still wrapped in plastic. Everything was fine, but the box wasn't all smashed up. But this is what the plastic insert looked like. So I'm not sure how it got like that. Obviously, the gun was sitting in there like that. So it's a little irritating. It's a brand new gun. I mean, it's going to get scratches on it, but I prefer to be the one putting the scratches on it, right? So, I don't know. You let me know what you guys think. If I ought to take it up with Taurus or just shoot the thing, honestly. Pretty cool gun otherwise. The next video I post, I'd like to be able to post me shooting it. Everything else seems okay. Pretty cool gun overall. I just wanted to get on here and show it. Anyway, pretty decent gun. Minus this stupid scratch here. Oh well. Thanks for watching.